Today we're going to take a quick look at the SCORP 2 mid-size camera gimbal and what's all inside the box. These folks have been making a pretty great lineup of gimbals across the spectrum for all sizes of cameras, smartphones included. This one will do more of a mid-size camera, so a DSLR with small lens or kind of a medium body. In here we've got the gimbal itself, which is nicely packaged in there. Feels great. It's heavyweight. Has a kind of a two-handed option along with the of course single-handed operation. And then we do have a color LCD screen here too, which is pretty sweet. It does come with various camera mounts and methods of putting it on there. So it does come with a small tripod, which is great for shooting content, especially because it does have built-in AI tracking or AI-based tracking that'll actually follow subjects automatically. So if you're looking to do some blogging and whatnot, it's great for you. Here's additional pieces for mounting, and then in this box you're going to get a million different cables, so you can connect your iPhone, your Android phone, really any type of phone that you need. So we're going to go ahead and get this charged up and give it a test. But in that time, I'm going to go ahead and also download the smartphone app for it. That does give you access to some of the additional functionality within the gimbal and gives you some additional access to some of the features. But they can generally be also accessed using the combination of the controls here and your LCD screen. So let's give it a try.